You depend on your car battery every time you drive, not just to start the engine, but to power all the different electrical systems in your Toyota, from lighting to climate control to infotainment. Over time, factors such as driving conditions, operating cycles, driving habits, and simple aging can deteriorate your battery's performance. The typical life expectancy of a light car or truck battery in Canada is about 4.5 to 5 years. That's why it's important to have regular battery health checks performed by your factory-trained Toyota service technician, who can test the life of your battery and assess the risk of failure. If it's time to replace your battery, only Toyota premium batteries have been designed, engineered, and rigorously tested to Toyota's high standards. They match your Toyota's precise needs in size, terminal configuration, and electrical performance, including such factors as cold cranking amps to ensure consistent winter starts. To help protect the environment, Toyota also encourages its dealers to recycle batteries in an environmentally responsible manner. So virtually 100% of the components within an individual battery are recycled and can be reused in new batteries. All Toyota Genuine Premium Replacement batteries installed by a Toyota dealer include a 24-month free replacement and up to 84 months prorated replacement limited warranty. Get where you need to go with confidence. Details make the difference. Thanks for taking an inside look at your Toyota.